Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and insightful analysis of the latest gadgets and accessories. Today, we have something truly exciting to share with you, the best iPhone game controller on the market. Get ready to elevate your gaming experience to new heights. With the Bluetooth controller for Switch, PC, iPhone, Android, Apple Arcade MFI games, TV, Steam. This controller isn't just your ordinary gaming accessory. It's packed with innovative features and cutting-edge technology designed to take your gaming sessions to the next level. First off, let's talk about compatibility. Whether you're gaming on your Nintendo Switch, iPhone, Android device, PC, or even Apple Arcade, this controller has you covered. It seamlessly connects via Bluetooth 4.0 or wired connection, giving you the flexibility to game on multiple platforms. But what really sets this controller apart is its ergonomic design and customizable features. Users rave about its comfortable grip and non-slip design, ensuring long gaming sessions without fatigue. Plus, with programmable buttons and the newly launched lock joystick speed function, you have complete control over your gameplay experience. Dual vibration feedback, 6-axis gyroscopic sensors, and adjustable LED lights further enhance the immersive gaming experience. Whether you're navigating through intense battles or exploring vast open worlds, every moment feels incredibly real and engaging. And let's not forget about the impressive battery life. With a powerful 650 mAh battery, you can enjoy up to 15 hours of uninterrupted gaming on a single charge. Say goodbye to constant interruptions and hello to endless gaming adventures. In conclusion, if you're serious about mobile gaming and demand the best, look no further than the Bluetooth controller. For Switch, PC, iPhone, Android, Apple Arcade MFI games, TV, Steam. It's the perfect combination of performance, comfort, and versatility, making it a must-have accessory for any gaming enthusiast. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and product recommendations. Until next time, happy gaming!